So for this lesson, we're going to learn how to make a chain. So again, we make a slip knot. So if you haven't seen the video on slip knot, go check it out. So the slip knot, you can either place it on the table or do it on your fingers. So right now I'm going to do it on my fingers. So this is how you make a slip knot. And we're going to learn to make a chain. So this is how you make a chain. You yarn over like so. You pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. I'm going to make it 4 more times. Yarn over like so, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. So this is how you make a chain. So that's how your chain should look, like this. Okay. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know on the comment below. Bye.